This did come out. We did listen to it on the album, but now there's a music video. Yes. This is one of my favorite songs on this album. But now I know what she's talking about. Now I know what she's talking about. Last time, there was no lyrics. They shot this shit like a movie. Like a whole ass movie. I haven't listened to her. Like, this is my first time really hearing her. And songs like this suit her really well. I'll say it. I feel like you're the same. Wait. Wasn't this in another music video? This part. Like that one part. It looked familiar. Songs like this that get added to the playlist. And now it's opening up. Goodbye. 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 I forgot, this was kind of short. I mean, is it just... I mean, it's not really short. The 3 minutes kind of just went by fast, I guess. That just means it's a good song. Oh, she burying the evil, the boo-boo variant. I remember seeing this somewhere. Good riddance. How I didn't notice that at the beginning of this, I don't know. But I just noticed it now. Well, shit. Let me know what you thought of the music video. You enjoyed it? I did.